In this video, let me show you how to get characters in Archero 2. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe and check other videos for more tutorials. So let's begin. Want to get new characters in Archero 2? First, open your Archero 2 app in your mobile device and make sure you are logged in your desired account. Next, go to the equipment menu where you can change your characters. The characters option unlocks after clearing around 5 stages. Alex is his default character, but others can be unlocked in different ways. Some, like Non and Arthur, are available through events. Others, like Hal, can be bought with gems, while characters like S and Draw require real currency. You can also collect character fragments from events, shops, or purchase to unlock them. And that's how simple you can get characters in Arc Hero 2. Good luck with your grind! If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.